Xin chào, Ni Hao. Hello and welcome to my channel Vietnamese Cooking. Today I will show you how to make amazing shrimp curry. So this is a little spicy but it's really simple. We will turn on medium high heat to cook. This one we have a shrimp, so I will cook the shrimp after we're done with the vegetable. My oil don't want to go out. So we will need some carrots. I chop like this. About 2 carrots. So I got a golden potato, so I use 8, but almost like small potato. So you just chop like this. 1 potato I chop become 8 pieces, look like this. So we can make a soup, curry soup today. I don't know you in your kitchen have yellow curry base, but if you don't have it, you can make it. So today I will use yellow curry chicken base. I use 2 tablespoons, but I believe this one lemongrass, chili, garlic, and they show right here like lemongrass, sauce, ginger, turmeric, nutmeg, chili, curry powder. So if you don't have it, we can make it, but hopefully you have lemongrass. And I use 1 teaspoon of Korean chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sauce, just taste. I use 2 tablespoons of sugar, and also if my curry color not good, I will use some turmeric. Also we will need half of yellow onions. Also today I will add just some tofu, and we will use some, if you have seasoning, seafood seasoning, you can use in here. But if you don't, you can use chicken seasoning or vegetable seasoning. Today I use some vegetable seasoning, and 1 can of coconut milk, 400 milliliters, almost, yeah, 400 milliliters. And I chop some garlic and ginger. Also I use 1 bowl of shrimp. So I put some curry powder, some chili, some vegetable seasoning because today I cannot eat meat, but that's all I put in, I think. So some sugar. Just let sit there. If you have a coconut milk, you can put in the marinade. Yummy. Now my pan already hot. My pot hot. I will put some lemongrass in here, like the curry base in here. The oil don't want to come out. Let's see. Oh, this one come out. Yeah, now I have to add some oil. We sauteed the yellow curry base a little bit, and then we put some garlic, fresh garlic and ginger. I just chop a little bit at your taste. some garlic and ginger. So put the carrot inside saute with it. It smells so good. The vegetable you cook first, so you just cook, I think, 15 minutes. Cook until your vegetables soft. After soft, we put some coconut milk inside. So here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt, chili powder, and some turmeric. So we use 3 cups of chicken broth. Cook 50 minutes until the vegetables soft. And we will continue put the coconut milk, tofu and shrimp. That's it. Hey, just check the vegetable. The vegetable already soft. And now we will put some coconut milk inside. Look, do you remember how to open? This can you this opener. Oh, my glass. You just put in. And now you put the coconut milk inside. Whole can. 400 milliliters. Bring this up. Okay, coconut. Let me see my spoon. Get some. Looks so good. Get some this one to make sure no more coconut in it. Oh, I don't know. I love coconut. Milk, coconut water. Also, you need to put some onion because onion easy cook, so it's soft pretty quick too. Oh, look amazing. And when simmer a little bit, I put my shrimp inside. If you want sear, you can sear and put on top your food like rice, noodle. But if you want to put in here, and then we turn up like after 5 minutes. So let me put my tofu, my tofu inside. Let me see. Tofu inside. So yummy. Smell amazing. So when I tell you like 3 cups of chicken broth rice, but when I cook, I just make sure the chicken broth cover the vegetable and everything. So I add 1 more cup. So totally 4 cups and 1 can of coconut milk. So good. Now I not put the 1 bowl in here because I have some tofu. But when you know, like after you eat 1 bowl, so you want to eat another, you can put shrimp after that, like extra like 6 or 10, whatever you want to eat, or you make for whole family, just put in. But today only me and the kid, my husband. But the kid cannot eat this because a little spicy. Maybe next time I make my curry base, no chili in there. So I just put my shrimp in here for about maybe just put 10 in here. So just so you guys, so we cook about 5 minutes until the shrimp and the soup boil. We then turn up. 2, khao by my language. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. You watch my cooking, you learn my language too. So when boil, when the shrimp turn the color, we good. Let me see. Oh, sorry. When this one boil a little bit, right? If you want your soup or your curry a little thick, I already have 1/2 of cooked water. I put 2 tablespoons of corn starch. So you just slowly boil inside. Let me make sure. Oh no, let me make sure this is not gum up with the corn starch. So you like this, simmer. So you put like this. Make sure nothing in there. And now you stir gentle because you have a tofu in it. Mix well. And final, we have to check the flavor. However, your taste. If you want more sweet, if you want more flavor, just put in. You can use seasoning, you can use salt, or you can use any kind of like spice, but this is already spicy. Let me see. If boil, my shrimp turn yellow yet. Look, my shrimp already turned pink. I believe we are not done. Look, this one turned too. So maybe we good. Look. We put one bowl out for you see. Or if you want more thick, but when you turn up the heat, cool down the soup, the curry more thick, so don't worry. Let me check the flavor after this one boil a little bit. Make sure cooking well. I think we're good. I have I have basil, mung beans, serrano pepper. I eat with my curry. Okay, my soup already boiled. This is amazing. You will love it. Love the shrimp already cooked. Let me the shrimp already cooking. Let me check the flavor and let you know. I still have a lot of shrimp, so you can put the shrimp in the refrigerator. Every time you eat, you put in and cook a little bit. Let me try the flavor. Okay. This is really spicy. It gives me. So this is really good. Hopefully you check it out. Okay, let me take out for you see. My bowl. I have bread already. I maybe cook some rice noodle, but the first I will show you now. So, ooh, look, my shrimp. Oh, I broke the tofu, but wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. How it look? This is my mom favorite too. Usually she cook a big pot, and because I have a big family, so she call them. So you can see the big pot and on the bowl, like 10 or 11 bowl, and call my name to take. Each of us take one to go and enjoy it. So hopefully you have time to check it out. Thank you for watching. Look how good is it. Thank you for watching. If you love my channel, please thumb up and support my channel. Thank you. Bye.